Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Lotus stem soup recipe for toddlers. Soups are one of the easiest dishes to feed babies and toddlers as they are healthy. Here is an easy and nutritious lotus stem soup recipe for toddlers. Learn how to make it. Cooking time. Preparation time 10 minutes. Cook time 1 hour. Total time 1 hour and 10 minutes. Type of meal: vegetarian. Suitable for toddlers over 17 months of age. Meal schedule: lunch or dinner. Recipe type: soups. Ingredients: lotus stem 2 cups. Carrots cut into cubes 1 cup. Chinese turnip cut into cubes 1 cup. Lotus seeds 1 cup. Goji berries ½ cup. Ginger chopped 1/4. Cilantro leaves chopped 2 tablespoons. White pepper 1 teaspoon. Water 5 to 6 cups. Salt to taste. How to make. Wash the lotus stems thoroughly under running water, as sometimes dirt may get into the rhizomes, which can be hard to spot. You may soak the stems in water too. Keep them on a paper towel to dry before slicing them. Slice the lotus stems into small pieces. Take a heavy-bottomed pan and put the sliced lotus stems, chopped carrots, chopped Chinese turnip, chopped ginger, lotus seeds, goji berries, salt, and white pepper. Cook covered for at least an hour or until all ingredients cook well. Mash the contents and strain them. Serve at room temperature, topped with finely chopped cilantro. Recipe tips. Keep in mind the following recipe tips while making homemade lotus stem soup baby food recipe. If your baby is comfortable with chewing and swallowing chunks of food, do not mash the ingredients. You can add a non-vegetarian twist to the recipe by adding chicken. You can add a few dates to the recipe to render some sweetness to it. You can add a handful of peanuts to add a nutty flavor to the dish. This Cantonese style soup is a delicacy and it is enjoyed by people from almost all parts of the world. Your toddler will surely like it. Give it a try.